Hello children, welcome back to the classes of Merchant of Venice. Last class we had learnt Act 3 Scene 2, first part in that, where Bassanio reached Belmont to select the Lottery of Casket, and even we saw how excited and how much anxiety was there inside Portia. She never wanted to lose Bassanio. We know the reasons, and Bassanio clarified his love to Portia. Now the scene is set to select the casket. Yes, Bassanio proceeds to select the casket. Now we will see how he introspects each casket very carefully based on the writings which were on the casket. There were 3 caskets, as you know: gold, silver, and lead. Now we will see how Bassanio decides which casket he wants to choose. So may the outward shows be lest themselves. The world is still deceived with ornament. Here, every 2 or 3 lines I'll be explaining you the meaning, children. External. Actually, in this world, external show is never real, children, because the external show is only a show off. Here, Bassanio is telling whatever the external and expensive outward looks are there in that caskets is just a show off. So, he tells, yet the world is always misled by the outward show. The world is still deceived with ornament. Yes, here the world. Now also it is deceived by the rich looks, worldly looks, which attract the mind. In law, what plea? So tainted and corrupt, but being seasoned with a gracious voice. In law also, if you go to court, you can see the most interesting and winning cases are the most deceived ones, colored and polished with lies. The lawyer who can lie a lot, who can bring the wrong witnesses, will win the case. Here, Bassanio means that what is colored. In law, what please so tainted and corrupt. What can be covered with words, what can be covered with outward looks, will be attracted much and will be selected first. But being seasoned with a gracious voice, obscure the show of evil. In religion, what damned error, but some sober brow will bless it and approve it with a text, hiding the grossness with fair ornament. Yes, children, even in religion, we can see people who give sermons, people who speak only good, people who speak only benefits for you and your life, sometimes may never be good. Only their outward voice and the presentation may be good. So, what we see outside may not be inside. Though the outside presentation may be good, inside heart may be so very bad. Same way, caskets which are beautiful outside may never be good. There is no way so simple but assumes some mark of virtue on his outward parts. Same here, outward looks only attract the minds. They can never win the hearts. How many cowards whose hearts are all as false as tears of sands wear it upon their chins, the beards of Hercules and frowning Mars, who inward searched have livers white as milk. Yes, children, you can even see sometimes people with very strong looks like Hercules and frowning Mars are just with beards, with heart which is white as milk, means which is very covered, which is very weak. Only outward appearances very bold, courageous, etc. But heart will be weak and covered.